All right, everybody, so here we go back on to our next task here for February. We're looking at GFCI or GFI outlets.
Which are the same thing, right?
Correct, so really is no difference. You know, just some people call it a different thing, I guess. They leave out the C or they add the C. It's the same thing either way. It's just a protection unit, basically, protection outlet. And then everything else continuing on that circuit will be tripped if something, if there's any moisture in any of the outlets, or if there's a surge in energy or something, it will go ahead and flip that breaker so nobody gets hurt, essentially. Which is why they're common in like kitchens and bathrooms, places with water.
Moisture, right?
Yes, and we also have them. We just actually hooked up a couple in our garage. They're just handy outlets, essentially. So I'm gonna have Becca show you here on our kitchen one how to test it. You can use a tester like we have, or a lamp, something like that, and then you're just gonna want to plug it in, flip the switch, the test switch, to make sure it's working properly. So if you want to go ahead and try that.
Plug it in.
Oh wait, it's gonna shock you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with it.
You scared me. Okay, so it's working. And then you push the test. Reset. Ooh.
Nope, the black one. There you go. So you can see it popped off. That means it's working properly, as long as when we do the red one, which is the one right above it, it kicks back on.
And there's also this little tiny little light on ours that says that it's working. Green for go.
So it looks like ours, at least here in the kitchen, is working properly. So we'll go ahead and test a lot of our outlets and make sure that yep, all our GFI or GFCIs are working properly, and then we can go ahead and move on to our next task.